Christmas trees. Look up, Sammy.
Oh, Sammy, sorry.
That's okay.
Up you get. You know, the first time I met your Dada, I was picking him out of the snow too.
I hadn't fallen, you know. I was just down there doing snow angels.
Well, I'd never seen a grown-up do a snow angel before. I knew straight away that I liked him.
Now, let's keep our eyes peeled for Holly Green and Bruce Spruce.
Oh, there they are now.
Welcome, welcome. My a go. Look at you. I can't remember the last time I saw you.
How about exactly a year ago?
Yes, last Christmas.
Okay, so you know how it works. You can choose any one of the big trees up the hill to take home, and for every tree we send off with the family, we plant 3 saplings, which are baby trees.
Baby trees. Aw, they're so cute. Bye-bye, little babies. It's time for our winter adventure. Come on, Mama, go.
Race you.
See you later. Let us know when you find one you like. Oh, this is a nice tree. What do you think?
No.
Or this one?
Uh-uh.
Okay, look at this one. This is our tree.
Nope.
Oh, dear. We could be here all evening.
This is a fine tree. Not too big, not too small, not too bushy, not too bare.
Great find, Mama Go. Maya.
This is not our tree. When we find it, we'll get a special feeling.